Maybe a news or interesting thing, bright spot, okay? Right? Maybe in your this our lesson, how do you maybe in a big idea? How do you work my invention? And the description of the big idea, okay? Okay, right. Dear students, how do you think big idea? How do you think, what does it mean, big idea?
In my opinion, big ideas is something like inventions, some kind of in the sphere of maybe education or some kind of medicine or other spheres.
Okay, thank you. Janet, please.
For me, it's a concept refers to concept, central, and foundation for discussion, new job, new work, new experience.
Good. Okay. Very excellent. Good. Okay. Dear students, with our work maybe you divide in three groups. Okay. This maybe in the three groups. This working captain of the group and this assistant of the group. Okay. You have divided in three groups. Go with it, please, and stand in the first group, second group, the third group. Please go. Go ahead, please. Right? Can you hear me, please, the second group? Okay. All right. Please. Captain. Shoulders, you're a captain there, okay? Gender, it's your captain there, and then ascend. Okay, good. All right, please. This our the lessons, big ideas. It is the lessons. What doing our lessons? Comparing, analyzing, listening, speaking about the theme, writing about the grammar, helping inventions in grammar. Okay. Learning objectives. This is our lesson. You must understand complex and abstract main points and extend text on the wide range of familiar and the general topics. The next, use talk or writing as means of reflecting and exploring a perspective on the world. The next, relative adjectives, complements outside grammar, dividing the grammar by that, infinitive, and the WH clauses. Okay, this must be listening for the text. Divide adjective completes reasonably and specific information. Compare and contrast idea. You have to speak about invention, about Indian invention of Kazakhstan, about speaking of how do you form our complement adjectives. Okay, good. Енді балалар біртұтасына тәрбие бойынша осы апталарда сөзі тәрбие бастау деп айтылады. Біз білеміз, яғни қазақ халқы тәрбиеге өте көп назар аударған. Сонымен бірге тәртіпке де өте көп назар аударған. Яғни тәртіп бар жерде тәрбие болады, тәрбие бар жерде тәртіп болады. Жақсы, бұл бізде аптаның бірі сөздері. Okay. This, okay, in our the first task, you may write how idea bright child. These our documents we show a lot of bright idea meaning. For example, bright idea, bright and pleasant, home bright, get the bright idea, bright line, the bright lights. A lot of this. Maybe you. I think maybe it is not color. It is not maybe how do you activity, how do you think about the doing. For example, I closed my eye against the bright light. Bright light idea. How light, bright light. How against bright light. Okay, she's bright kid and very nature for the kid. What kite? Bright kite. Then it always prefer bright color. What color? Maybe on bright color. Maybe superlative colors. Maybe bright color. Okay. And then it was bright idea to take the of the Monday. What idea? Bright idea. Okay. Please, dear students, can hear me in all the class. You maybe any paper. What is the paper? Any sentence about bright child, okay? And there's a seat in the seat, okay? Please pass that. Okay, for the beginning, for listening, Jana, please stand.
Not too bright, but a good boy. This means about personal quality, and it means not only color,
Okay.
it's for a boy.
Okay, thank you.
If you have any other bright ideas, please share them. This is just about its elevation for
Good.
someone to contribute creative, innovative, or clever suggestions.
Good, okay. Thank you, Robert. Asel, please. Asel, go.
She turned bright red. That means that the girl was embarrassed and started blushing.
Good. All right. Who's ready?
The year for public health and is great and significant for all citizens of our country. So it's the symbol of independence and how our citizens felt like outstanding feeling.
Yeah, okay, go. Please.
The light was so bright that it had our eyes. I think it's when you look to the light and this light was so strong and you feel the pain in your eyes.
Good. All right. Thank you for work. Thank you for listening. Okay. This our the tasks maybe in your watching and read introduction about 3 videos. This may be the name Angela, the third group, Emily, the second group, and the third group, Bella. In this watching the video about 3 people, they have a big idea in our nowadays. They have a bright sharp in our nowadays. Okay?
Bright sparks. Here are 3 ordinary people who are rocking the world with their bright ideas and a lot of hard work. When Angela Zhang explained to her chemistry teacher that she had been working on a method for curing cancer, her teacher was stunned. Her idea was to develop a nanoparticle that would deliver drugs to tumours without destroying the surrounding tissue. She found it all a little bit overwhelming at first, but then she found that being able to decode something was a bit like a puzzle. The results of tests on her discovery have been very promising. One day, Emily Cummings came up with a simple yet brilliant idea. She designed a portable, eco-friendly fridge that had the potential to help thousands of people in the developing world. Her fridge is made of 2 cylinders, one inside the other. As water between the cylinders evaporates in the sun, heat is removed from the inner cylinder, enabling food to be kept inside at a cool 6 degrees Celsius. Emily took her design to poor areas of Africa where people called her the Fridge Lady. While staying in a hotel in the USA, Ugandan Derek Kayongo was shocked that guests were given new soap every day, while 2 million young children were dying every year through lack of hygiene in the developing world. He wondered if he could recycle the soap for people who needed it. So Derek started asking hotels to donate their used bars of soap. The soap is sanitized first, then is heated at very high temperatures, chilled, and then cut into bars. So far, Derek's global soap project has provided more than 100,000 bars of soap to 9 countries, absolutely free.
Okay. Do you like video?
Yes.
You're inspired the video?
Yes.
I see it. So, okay. Please, this, how do you think about the video? What inspired? What do you mind? Do you have you got any big idea? Do you want a bright child? Okay, was the beginning. Okay.
In this video, we see a lot of people who really impeccable people, and maybe it's Emily Cummings. She designed portable and eco-friendly fridge, and she helps to poor people in Africa.
Good.
So it's really good idea.
Thank you. Ағылшын.
She work materials gave her grandfather when she was 4 years old, and she invented eco-friendly fridge and brought her project for poor regions of Africa.
Good.
And now she works lectures for young people for successful and for invent new projects.
Okay, good. Thank you. You what about the video? You inspired?
They created something for poor people.
You may have. Okay, right. The first, please. I got that.
Well, in this video, Derek Kayondo is making, recycling the soaps from the hell. Because in his country, Africa, many kids and people dies from infection.
Maybe in the loading on the liver. Good. Okay. Thank you. Right. Good. I think that you do watching the film. How do you think? Okay. This our the next task maybe in your development in your vocabulary. Okay. This our the theme. It is 8 words. 8 questions. This is the question. You find what belongs to group in these equations. Okay? Please, you find, you may be stand, you may be go, stand, maybe in your right, maybe in your moving, please go. Please, let's go to the next one. Let's go to this. Alright, please, so let's go. Alright, is it good? Then you go. Okay, isn't it? This faster. You check in. Send here. Please, faster. Okay. In the end, you must be 3 or 4 questions in each group. 3 or 4 questions in each group must be in your left. Okay? Do you read them?
Yes.
You check yourselves?
Yes.
Okay, go. Alright. And the first question, Emily. Who's Emily? Who's Emily? Okay. Emily, you are this person in the hand. Have you got this question?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Then it's Angela. Which person? Angela. Yes, have you got a question?
Yes.
Yes, okay. The rest?
Here.
Yeah?
Yes.
Please show me.
Which first reacts to something?
Okay, thank you, right. Then it's Angela. Which person can bear something? Have you got this question?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Emily.
Which person has his her knowledge and advice
Okay. Okay. Emily, have you got anything? Angela, thank you. Angela,
Mention
have you got
something
this
is
question? Yeah?
yes,
Okay. Derek,
We call
Okay.
it people.
is no. Thank you for. Okay. The next is use this the text you maybe or 5 words in your this task vocabulary in your task. How working in your new words. This synonym same meaning. That means in your writing in your copybook, maybe in your connection with the words the same meaning. Okay? Please, 1, 2, or minus. Then you in the blackboard. You maybe connection these verbs. Please write in your copybook. Maybe in the short. For example, decisive. For example, she. Maybe if you want ready, I am ready, we are ready, our group ready, our group is finishing. Okay? Okay, right? They are ready. Well, good. Please, ready, you started in this our lesson. Please, okay. One sentence for me, for you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. There, please. Okay, Thomas. Arjun, please go. Arjun, please. Arjun. Jamila. Can I say really? I said, it's not creation.
Promising is likely to be successful.
Maybe louder.
Yes.
Yes, you may be successful.
It's right.
Yeah? Okay, right.
That's right.
You read it? Okay. Okay, thank you. I said thank you very much. Maybe provided. Okay, good. The complete. Okay, good. The next task. The next task maybe this about thinking about in your grammar adjective complements. Please write in your copybook about in the adjective complements. What does it mean? Adjectives maybe the question is how doing. What does it mean? How do you like in this the noun? For example, complement phrase a clause that completes the meaning of the adjectives. These adjectives may be, for example, I am glad, not complete. I am glad to see you with the complement. How do you see? Glad to see you. For example, Anna was angry about your comment. Angry. So, what about your comment? Okay, alright, maybe in your prepositional. The next, Anna was angry that you committed. Maybe in your past simple, not angry within your past simple. Angry that. Maybe vice versa. The next page, you three kinds. Three kinds adjective complement. The first group, prepositional phrase, maybe with, about, in, on, and phrasal verbs. For example, Anna is delighted with your present. With, okay. The next, second group, infinitive phrase. As do you know about infinitive? Where to? not the infinitive. To with the verb to. To help, to understand, to help. For example, Anna is delighted to help. Okay? Maybe in the help delighted. How delighted? To help delighted. The next clause. Maybe you. That, who, when, which. For example, Anna is delighted that she called her. How could her delighted in the adjective is completed the adjective that she called her. Okay, this is the task maybe in your world paper. How do you use adjectives? I imagine two students for me, how do you understand from me in your classmates? The lady who, Jonathan, please go. How do you understand this grammar? And Jonathan, do you read how do you understand from your classmates? Okay? You mean 4-3 sentence about adjective complements.
Well, to start with, adjective complements with about in these infinitive forms or closed forms, they show the feelings, emotions of people, and it how to say, makes them in a more formal way.
Good. Okay.
So adjective complements is clauses. In this word, maybe I'm unsure why you raised this point. For example, we use interrogative pronoun, interrogative adverb. So maybe it's who, what, which, whose, or why, where, when, how, and that like whole clauses. It has subject and verb.
Good. Okay, thank you. Please, okay, mate. Traits, why do you important for our complement adjectives? What do you know complement adjective, please?
It follows the adjective complements and comes after it.
Yeah.
It predicates it and completes the meaning of its adjective.
An adjective complement is necessary to complete the meaning of its adjectives, and if we use, we just...
Good. Okay. Right. Thank you. So now, you this how do you complement? You maybe superlate adjectives. How do they mean? Okay. The next task, please. You task maybe in your exercise 5. Use this connection to columns in the beginning, in the ending of this sentence. Okay, this is 5. You may be the short in your copybook A, B, excuse me, 2 or A, B. Okay, use this maybe in your. This connection of this, the two sentences to the connection. How do you think the adjectives complement? Okay? Who's reading maybe in your blackboard? Two students, each group maybe go, if you really go. If you really go, listen, okay? Do you start? Do you read it?
Yes, we are ready.
Go, please.
Okay.
Okay, first group, who are? Two students, please go. I just come here now. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Second group. Similar. Who's reading? Two sentences left. Second group, please.
Maybe it's...
Go. Give me advice. stop. Do you know really? You're checking.
Check it.
Please, that's right. Okay, thank you for this mean how do you understand all these adjectives complement, okay? Okay, these are the next tasks. You each group you find the paper about Kazakhstan inventions. In this work you must your classmates, how do you understand what is the working, what is in our classmates in your group, okay? Use this my right cluster about the name. Please, how do you understand this word? How important? Have you got any big idea? Bright chart. Okay? Good. Right. Please. The name in the circle you can name. Yeah, you can name of them. Please, in working group, you must be student about the text. Maybe in your world, maybe in your what can you see in the world? Maybe in your world, in your working group. Captain group, maybe you're working in a group, maybe you're the assistant in work. Maybe in English for us. In our nowadays invention of Kazakhstan, maybe in your study in Nazarbayev intellectual school, maybe it is from Semiri. Am I right?
Yes.
Maybe you are speaking in a lower English, please. A little louder. Do you read it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, good. Maybe in your blackboard, in your whole group, maybe in your stands, maybe on the show in your teacher, in your classmates. Okay, good.
So,
Yeah, please, are you finishing it? Yes, yes. Are you finishing?
Yes.
No,
Wrote about
please, are you finishing? I said, you may be in your clothes in your work. Okay. Yeah? Your classmates must be listening for you. Okay? Please, David. What are you doing? The third group? Okay, only you sit in your table, you will be in your captain group, you will be in your right in your information. Listen for our second group. Okay? Okay, David, go.
We wrote about Ағылшын Шахиман and wrote about what did he do in and another information from about him.
student of the Nazarbayev intellectual schools, spent 2 years,
Good.
and he was brother from Slovakia. So he is spent spent 2 years to developing alternative sources of energy resource. Since he just studied in Nazarbayev Technical School, he presented to the general public a 3D model of cone shape with generator.
Okay, thank you. The next, please go. Please go. Okay, maybe in your loader, maybe about the group. The second group, maybe in your, how do you divide sea around the sea, okay? How about in the ecological problems, maybe divide. Okay, the next group, please.
Ағылшын he is present to the general public as smart, and he has been interested in new technology, science, the 8th grade.
Was already huge ways in socially significant innovations.
Good. In your place, please, and how to understand your place, please.
Scientific is also include
Yeah, hold the paper.
renewable energy sources.
Good. Okay, what Alehan invented
So he invented
in your
training for the blind and visual.
in your skill for the mind people.
Yes.
Okay, good. If you use for the important the skills. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, the next group.
Well, our thing is love speaker. It can translate some kind of languages. It was rewarded for $5,000, and the creator of this love speaker was graduated from NA school.
Yeah.
The schools.
Excuse me, yes, figures. You, his name? Nodavlet maybe invented glass for the speaker. Are you right? No?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Right. The next.
Uses speech.
Special.
Use special applications. They can translate language.
Yeah. Good.
The
Okay.
schools speaks 32 heads and 1,020.
Do you want to buy this glass? Yes? Yes, you will maybe buy it. Good. Okay. That's all? That's okay. Thank you. Right. Good. These are the students nowadays working in our Kazakhstani schools, maybe in Kazakhstani factories about these. Okay. Good. How do you think? These are the about in the one group, maybe in your first group, maybe in a connection with the words. This in the group, for example, first group or second group, maybe in the two, maybe in the preposition of the words. Okay, right? In the paper. Okay. Good. All right? Okay, these, for examples, infinitive phrase. What understand infinitive phrase? Infinitive. What does that mean? Infinitive phrase. To understand, okay, noun clauses, way, noun clauses. Yeah, good. Maybe in your right, in the next divide two. Okay? Understand? Right, please. Okay, understand?
No. Yes.
Maybe you do finish it.
Not yet.
Okay. Maybe infinitive phrases two. Okay? To understand? Do you agree? to understand. The next, to see you. Yeah, infinitive. The next, to give advice. So this to get that point. Okay. And the noun elsewhere.
Literally and scientific proceed.
Okay, second good, very good. Okay, the next please there. To understand, to see, to give, to get, the journey, the cube, the temple, that all. Okay? Right, you may be in all your the tasks. You may give how do you like in our work, how do you like our lesson, what do you understand of this lesson. Okay, come here maybe in your, what do you like maybe in the choose any the color, please come here in the color, blackboard, please. Yeah, all. The first page. Please. Start. Okay. Please. No? Okay, you alright? It's not right. Why? Okay. Yeah, please. Okay. Please go. 6, who's the beginning of the 6? Okay. Alright. Good. Yeah. Good. Good. You, maybe, alright, I'm you for me, I'm for reading to go on. Yes? You are ready to go on about adjectives, complements, about the theme, how do you write idea. If they may be, or maybe I'm ready to go on, but something you understand why. Maybe I think the easy grammar, okay? Maybe you know the easy grammar, okay? Okay. So your opinion in our lessons, how do your organization, how do you work into you for your classmates?
Well, today's lesson was well organized. We learned a lot of new information, and I like the way how we played some kind of games, and at the same time we learned a lot of.
You do show about in your who have got big idea, who's invention, bright spark in our nowadays. Okay, thank you very much. Gentlemen, what is the meaning about in your lesson?
In my mind, in this work, we study a lot of information. We learn about new scientists, new people who really have a big idea and who really help for all of them, all people. And that sounds good.
Yes, okay. What do you think about your today's lessons?
In this lesson we got some information about young scientists and all they
Excuse me, my question. Do you have a bright side? Do you have a bright side? Do you want to go with a bright side in your future?
Yeah.
Okay? All right. I wish you in your have got in your bright future, a big idea and a bright side. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for your work. Thank you. I wish you in your maybe in your excellent in your work our today's day. Okay? Thank you. Thanks. Goodbye. Rahmat, bolalar, siz, adiblar, yaxshi.